Hi everyone, this is Andrew Ty and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build and install a Windows 11 ARM ISO using UUP dump on the Mac operating system. So I'm going to leave a link in the description for uupdump.net. So what I'm going to be doing is to be downloading the latest beta channel build, and I'm going to use this ARM64 link here which will deliver the ARM ISO. So here I'm going to be downloading Windows 11 Insider Preview 22000.160 and I'm going to click on this link here. And then I'm going to click Next. And then create download package here. So once that's downloaded, I'm going to double click on the zip file and that's going to extract for me here. And then I'm going to double click here and then we have our macOS.sh. So the next part is to download and install homebrew. So I'm going to leave a link to the brew.sh website in the description. I'm also going to leave a link to my tutorial on how to install homebrew. All you need to do is to copy this script. So you can click on this clipboard on the right and then we need to open terminal by clicking on the spotlight and then we type in the word terminal and then we have our terminal window open here. Here we're going to control click on the white space and click paste and then return. And then we type in our password here and then return again. When homebrew finishes installing, it's quite important that you execute this last command here. So we're going to control click and copy and we're going to paste it into this line here and then we're going to press return. And we can test brew is working by typing in the command here and then this will give the command list here. So next step is that we're going to execute this script by going into the folder of the extracted zip file. So what we need to do is we need to go to terminal and type in the word command cd and space and then we need to find the path of this folder here. So we need to click view and then show path bar, and then what we can do is to drag this path onto the CD so that this CD is changing the direction of here. And then we use the command ls to reveal the contents of this folder, and then we can execute the next part of the script. So if you try to run the script now, then you'll be prompted to install some dependencies. So what I'm going to do is to leave a code in the description which you'll need to copy and paste. This is going to install using homebrew the needed dependencies, for example, aria, cabextract, etc. So just let that run until that completes. In order to execute the macOS.sh script, we need to change permissions for it. So I'm going to leave a command in the description for this video here, and this basically allows us to execute the script. I'm going to press return here, and then this allows us to actually run the script. So I'm going to drag this script onto the terminal command and then press return here. This is going to be downloading the files from the Microsoft website and then building it using the UUP dump scripts into an ISO file. So now that the process has finished, you'll be able to tell that it's completed because we have an ISO in the folder of the download file. And so we are ready to move on to whatever next stage you like. So just going to show you very briefly that it would be possible to mount this using Parallels, the virtual machine software. So I'm going to press continue here on the control center, and then we're going to use the ISO that we've constructed here. This has already picked up that we've got this ISO file here. We're going to select the Windows Pro, which is the last one of that list, and press done. And then we're going to select games only for maximum performance. And then we're going to call this one Windows 11 test and then press create. And that will basically create the Windows 11 virtual machine from that ISO file that we've downloaded from UUP dump. So this ISO file downloads and installs normally through Parallels. It goes through the install process, which is a little bit different from the VHDX method, but it still installs normally nonetheless. And we have a normally functioning Parallels Windows 11 ARM virtual machine. So now you can use this ISO file to build on Parallels or on any other type of computer that you want or another virtual machine software. So anyway, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.